Hey guys, I'm Nisha Homi and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Indian style roasted vegetables for weight loss. This is a very easy and simple recipe which can be made with seasonal vegetables. So I used about 6 types of vegetables in this recipe. You can also have a bowl of this as a meal for lunch or dinner. It's very filling, and the best part is I used only 1 tablespoon of coconut oil in this recipe. So it's very healthy and tasty and flavored with Indian spices. To roast vegetables on a tawa or a pan on the stove top, I'm using half of a medium-sized broccoli, 2 baby corn which I sliced into small pieces like this, 5 to 6 cloves of garlic, 1 medium-sized carrot, half of a sweet potato which I cut into small cubes like this. I used half of a medium-sized sweet potato, about 10 to 15 small onions or shallots, which is also known as cherry in Malayalam, 1 whole capsicum which I chopped into cubes. You can use any seasonal vegetables of your choice and you can use any variety of capsicum. Now I'm making this roasted vegetables in my cast iron pan, and as you can see my cast iron is well seasoned. A well seasoned cast iron will have a very non-sticky surface. Cooking in iron pan helps with the absorption of iron. So if you are anemic or you have any iron deficiency, then try to use an iron kadai or a pan and cook your meals in iron pan for better iron absorption. Turn on the flame, and once your cast iron is hot, put the flame on the lowest and then add in 1 tablespoon coconut oil. And just swirl the pan just to make sure that the oil is nicely coated in the pan. And then add in the vegetables. You can use any oil which is locally available at the place you live in, like groundnut oil or mustard oil. Sprinkle in 3/4 teaspoon pink Himalayan salt. Now give this all a mix. So we are sort of mixing the vegetables in the pan so that oil is nicely coated with the vegetable, and you can see that since my cast iron is well seasoned, the vegetables are not sticking to the pan. That is why I recommended to use a well seasoned cast iron pan. And now I am adding in the shallots. Add in the chopped capsicum. Cover it with the lid. Allow it to cook on low flame for about 2 to 3 minutes. It's about 3 minutes now. I'm just going to give it a stir. And again cover it for another 2 minutes. It's about 2 minutes now. And just give it a mix. And as you can see, the sweet potatoes are cooked now. We'll just roast it for another 5 minutes. Now let's add in some spices. So I'm adding in 1 teaspoon crushed red chilli flakes, half teaspoon black pepper powder, and to give it a nice Indian flavor, I'm adding in 1/3 teaspoon roasted cumin seeds. Give this a mix. And allow it to roast on low flame for another 5 minutes so that the raw flavor of the spices are diminished. As you can see, the vegetables are nicely roasted. To flavor, I am using a sprig of fresh curry leaves. I like to use fresh curry leaves as it is rich in iron and folic acid, and moreover I get garden fresh curry leaves here in Kerala. Now I'm just going to tear the curry leaves into small pieces so that the flavor of the leaves are released, and just sprinkle it over the vegetables. Lastly, I am sprinkling in 1/3 teaspoon amchur powder, which is also known as dry mango powder, and turn off the heat. My healthy roasted vegetables is ready to serve. You can serve these roasted vegetables with your rice or your roti or paratha, or you can have a bowl of this as a meal for lunch or dinner. If you like to see more such healthy recipes, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please click the subscribe button and also the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you can stay updated when I post new videos. Thank you for watching, and until next time, take care. Bye.